Hi, my name is Kana Patterson. I am in 7th grade and I have been in 4-H for 5 years. I have been in the Cumberland County Buckaroos Goat Club for 3 years. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make butter from your own goat's milk. Here I am milking my doe Lucy, because before you can make the butter, you need the goat's milk. You may need to save up milk for a few days to get enough cream. Goat's milk is naturally homogenized, which means that the natural fat in goat's milk is a smaller globule than cow's milk. This makes it easier for us to digest. Over time, this cream in the goat's milk will rise to the top since the fat is lighter. We skim the cream from the top and collect it in our churn. You can get a cream separator that will take the waiting time down. Electric cream separators are very high in price, ranging from $600 to $4,000 depending on their speed and volume. We chose to use a Kilner hand crank butter churn. This can be purchased for about $40. Some people use a mixer to churn the butter. This will work, but since we have a small volume of cream, we like to use the hand crank churn. The trick is to get everyone in the family to participate in the churning process, willingly or by force. Some people just use a jar or can to shake the cream by hand. It takes about a gallon of goat milk to get a cup to a cup and a half of cream. This is the horrible sound I had to endure for 15 long minutes.
Is it ready yet?
No, it's not ready yet. Once the fat or butter begins to separate in the churn, it will form a large clump or ball. Then you are ready to wash the butter. Next, strain the buttermilk. Now we wash the butter to remove the remaining buttermilk to keep the butter from going rancid. Keep rinsing the butter in ice-cold water until the water stays clear and there is no remaining cloudiness. You may add salt or other spices to your butter. Mix it thoroughly and then you are ready to put the butter into molds. It is a good idea to keep the butter frozen until ready to use because it does have a tendency to spoil unless you will be using it right away.
Is it ready yet?
No, it's still not ready.
Is it ready yet?
Yes, it's ready now.